ready to turn your pile of treasures or new products into cash. Let's get your first item listed on eBay in under 2 minutes. First, head to eBay and click the Sell button. This is your gateway to becoming an eBay seller. Now, let's create your listing. Start by typing in what you're selling. eBay will suggest categories. Pick the best fit for your item. Being specific here helps buyers find you. Next, craft a compelling title. Include keywords buyers would search for. Then, fill out the item specifics. €, think brand, color, size, €, all the details that make your item stand out. The description is where you shine. Describe your item honestly and enthusiastically. Mention any unique features, its condition, and why someone should buy it. Think of it as your personal sales pitch. Now, for pricing, you can choose a fixed buy it now price or start an auction. Research similar sold items on eBay to set a competitive yet profitable price. Shipping is next. Select your preferred shipping service. You can offer free shipping, calculated shipping based on buyer location, or a flat rate. Decide if you'll ship domestically or internationally. Photos are crucial. Upload clear, well-lit pictures from multiple angles. Show the item from the front, back, sides, and any close-ups of details or imperfections. Good photos build trust and attract buyers. Once everything looks good, review your listing and hit list an item. Congratulations! You've just listed your first product on eBay. Happy selling!